Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to connect Trust Wallet to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet application. Then in here, all you have to do is to enter your passcode. Now in the home page of your Trust Wallet, just tap Discover section. Now in here, all you have to do is to scroll down and locate the Discover DApp and then tap the Deck section. Now in here, you'll be able to see the Uniswap. Just tap Uniswap and you will be redirected to Uniswap page. Now in here, just tap the connect button at the top right corner. Then select other wallet. Now in here, just tap the Trust Wallet. And there you go. Now as you can see here, our Trust Wallet is already connected. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.